Today, I have a very special device to show you. It's the Red Magic 9 Pro, the latest gaming smartphone from ZTE. This phone claims to be the ultimate gaming machine, with a powerful processor, a smooth display, a huge battery, and a cooling fan. But is it really worth the hype? And how does it compare to other flagship phones on the market? Well, I'm going to find out in this honest review. But before that, I want to thank you all for helping me reach 300 subscribers on this channel. You guys are awesome, and I really appreciate your support. So, thank you so much, and let's get started. First, let's talk about the design. The Red Magic 9 Pro has a very distinctive look, with a metal frame, a glass back, and an RGB light strip that runs along the spine. The phone also has two shoulder trigger buttons on the right side, which can be customized for different games. The phone is quite large and heavy, measuring 164 into 76.4 into 8.9 millimeter, and weighing 229 grams. It's not the most comfortable phone to hold, especially for one-handed use, but it feels solid and premium. The phone has a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1116 into 2480 pixels and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. The display is bright, sharp, and colorful and supports HDR10+. The display also has an underscreen fingerprint scanner and a 16MP selfie camera. The selfie camera is hidden under the screen, but it's not very good. The images are often blurry, noisy, and washed out, and the camera also creates a noticeable patch on the screen. The phone has a triple rear camera setup, with a 50MP main camera, a 50MP ultra-wide camera, and a 2MP macro camera. The main camera has a Samsung GN5 sensor, a 7P lens, and optical image stabilization. The main camera can take some stunning photos and record 8K videos. The ultra-wide camera has the same resolution as the main camera, but it has a wider field of view and no OIS. The ultra-wide camera can also take some decent shots, but it has some distortion and chromatic aberration at the edges. The macro camera is the weakest link of the camera system, as it has a low resolution and a fixed focus. The phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which is a 4 nanometers octa-core processor with a maximum clock speed of 3.3 GHz. The phone also has 8 or 12 GB of RAM and 256 or 512 GB of storage. The phone also has a dedicated gaming mode called Game Space, which can be activated by a switch. Game Space allows you to customize various settings for gaming, such as performance, fan speed, RGB light, shoulder triggers, and more. The phone also has a built-in cooling fan, which can keep the phone from overheating, but it's also loud and battery draining. The phone has a 6500 mAh battery, which can support up to 80-watt fast charging. The phone can charge from 0 to 100% in about 40 minutes. The battery life of the phone is decent, but not outstanding. The phone can last for a day of moderate use, or about 6 hours of intensive gaming. However, if you use the fan and the high refresh rate, the battery will drain much faster. The phone also does not support wireless charging or reverse charging. The phone has a dual nano SIM slot, which supports 5G, 4G, and 3G networks. The phone also has Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, GPS, and a USB-C port. The phone also has a 3.5mm headphone jack and stereo speakers, which are loud and clear. The phone also has some sensors, such as accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity, compass, and sensor hub. The phone runs on Android 14 with ZTE's custom skin called Red Magic OS 9. The software is smooth and responsive, but it also has some bloatware and ads. The software also lacks some features, such as an always-on display, a dark mode, and a face unlock. The software also has some bugs and glitches, which can affect the stability and performance of the phone. The software also does not have a good track record of updates. So, what do I think of the Red Magic 9 Pro? Well, I think it's a great phone for gaming, as it has a powerful processor, a smooth display, a huge battery, and a cooling fan. The phone also has a good main camera, a headphone jack, and a unique design. However, the phone also has some drawbacks, such as a mediocre selfie camera, a noisy fan, a lack of wireless charging, and a buggy software. The phone also costs $600, which is not cheap, but it's also not too expensive for a flagship phone. So, should you buy the Red Magic 9 Pro? Well, that depends on your preferences and needs. If you are a hardcore gamer and you don't care about anything else, then the Red Magic 9 Pro might be the perfect phone for you. But if you are looking for a more balanced and versatile phone, then you might want to consider some other options, such as the Samsung Galaxy S22, the OnePlus 10, or the iPhone 13. That's it for this review. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Tech Critic, for more honest reviews of the latest gadgets and tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.